Hi, I'm Pranjal Jain. I am from India and I did my electronics engineering and did my master's in human-centered design, and I have a industry experience of around 4.5 years, and then I decided to pursue higher education, which technically means coming here to Swansea and study how could we develop a more better human-centered AI. My MSc title is how could we capture tacit knowledge of telecom engineers in context with BT engineers. And my supervisors are Simon Robinson, Deepak Ranjan Sahu, Mark Holmes, and from BT, that is British Telecom, we have supervisor Anna Saul and myself. So our project is in collaboration with British Telecom, BT, which is one of the largest telecom industry in UK, provides n number of services broadly in the telecommunication. And from BT we have Anna Saul, who is guiding us and moving forward in this direction. The aim of our MSc is how to identify which technology to use to capture tacit knowledge, and how do we identify what is tacit knowledge. That is what we looked at in our MSc. We largely use human-centered design methodology to investigate what technology would be best to capture the tacit knowledge. In regards to this, we did user studies with 11 users, where we asked them to play around with padlock for doing the lock picking and to use Lego for assembling and dismantling the Lego. And in this process, we captured the eye data and also the physiological data. One of the key findings in our MSc project is how to differentiate expert and non-expert using physiological data. We plan to now go and do user study with Lego using physiological data, and also get involved with BT engineers and try how well this methodology of capturing and identifying tacit knowledge would be useful in their daily workflow. As the center says, it is about the journey. So doing the first semester, second semester, having interviews, having sandpits with different stakeholders, the exam, and the most nice part of the MSc is the cohort, is the third floor, where we sit together, interact with each other. There are times when we do not know what we're doing, and at that point, it's cohort, it's our friends and peers who help us to get back on track. I'm looking forward to jumpstart my PhD as soon as possible to really test out the hypothesis which we created in MSc and see whether that is working in real case scenario or not. If you're really looking forward to bring a change how algorithmic driven world is at this present moment, do you want to make it more human centered, which is more empathetic? This is the center. This is the center where you should be and bring change. We are an army of 30 to 40 people currently who is on the journey to change how intelligent systems are designed.